Hi everyone, today we are diving into the magical world of masala chai. From aromatic spices to the soothing aromatic milk tea, we will go through the steps of making masala tea spices and how to brew the perfect cup of masala tea. First, let's prepare the masala tea spices. We will use cloves, cardamoms, cinnamon, black pepper, and ginger powder. Make sure to get Ceylon cinnamon as it has a strong aroma. I'm using ginger powder instead of the usual method of grinding dried ginger as it is easier. You may use dried ginger and grind it together with the spices if preferred. Let's place all the spices in a dry grinder and grind until we get a fine powder. We will let the powder to cool down first. Then we will pour it into an airtight bottle or container. We can prepare a small quantity of these spices and keep them for a quick cup of masala tea. This should last us up to 2 months if the container is closed carefully. Now let's see how to prepare some masala tea. This measurement is for 2 to 3 cups. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. When it's boiling, add 3 teaspoons of black tea leaves. Then add half teaspoon masala tea powder that we made earlier. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. This is important to extract a thick brew. Then reduce the stove and add milk as preferred. We can also sweeten with some sugar. We'll bring the tea to a boil again to ensure an aromatic and flavorful tea. Now we can strain the masala tea into cups. The masala tea is ready to be enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple recipes. Until then, happy cooking!